In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate the expansion of the square exercise, which is a Notan exercise designed to study the interaction between positive and negative space. In order for this exercise to be completed successfully, there has to be a feeling of balance created by the design. To begin, you're going to need a small square of black paper. Mine is cut 4 inches by 4 inches, white paper, scissors, a pencil, and a glue stick. Begin by tracing the corners of your black square so that you know where it's going to be eventually glued onto your white paper. Now you're ready to begin drawing shapes, starting and stopping on the straight edges of your square. You can draw symmetrical shapes so that their line of symmetry is through the center of the shape. So for instance, on my heart, I only drew half of the heart along the edge. You can draw an additional shape inside of a shape. This will allow you to create what's called a double cut when you're cutting out your shapes. Your shapes can be organic or geometric, but again, they should start and stop on the edges of your paper so that everything can be cut out of scissors for this exercise. When finished, you're ready to begin cutting. I'm starting by cutting out my heart. You can see I'm cutting on each of my lines very carefully so that I can make the entire cut in just one line. Nothing will be thrown away with this Notan expansion of the square. To expand my square, I'm going to flip my heart backwards so that it opens up like a book. And in this case, since I have a triple cut, I'll put the next piece of the heart back inside and then the third piece back outside the square. Once I have everything lined up, I'm going to glue those pieces of the heart down. As long as I know where to put my square back, since I marked the corners, I can always glue each part as I go. This will make it so much easier so I don't have to keep track of all my little pieces. Now I'm going to speed up and continue on. You can see how I work my way around the entire square, cutting on my lines, flipping the piece cut out like a book, and then if I have a double or triple cut, flipping the next piece back in so that it goes back and forth, out, in, out, in. When I'm all finished, I'll glue down the center square, erase my pencil lines, and then I am done with the exercise. Eventually, much more complicated Notan designs can be created with X-Acto knives and a bit of planning, like the one that we're going to make for our summative project. I hope you enjoy Notan as much as I do. Bye!